everyone. So today BCA first semester mathematics. Here let us prove a theorem. Okay. So after the proof of this theorem, we will be able to derive three expressions. That is sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So here consider a vector, a straight vector that is OX. Okay, it revolves through an angle A. It revolves through an angle A to the line OY. Okay, again it revolves through an angle that is B. Okay, to the line OZ. And this O is nothing but initial point. Now, in this, draw a line which is perpendicular to OX, and this line is nothing but PM. Now, draw one more line which is perpendicular to OX from OY. Okay, this is QN. Okay, now draw a line which is perpendicular to PM, okay, and also this is parallel to MN, and name this as R. Now join PQ. So this is the diagram we need for the proof of this theorem. So now see here, angle A is acute angle, angle B is acute angle, angle A plus B may be acute or obtuse. So acute means below 90 degree, obtuse means 90 to 180 degree. Okay, so now here see, by the property we can say that this angle, that is NOQ, angle NOQ, that is this angle, is equal to angle OPQ. These two angles are equal because OMPQ are concyclic. OMPQ are concyclic points. What do you mean by concyclic points? Concyclic points means the points which are lying on the same circle, because as this rotates it can complete one circle. Therefore, the points OM, PQ are lying on the same circle. Therefore, they are concyclic. Okay. Hence, angle NOQ, that is NOQ, this angle is equal to OPQ. OPQ, this angle, which is nothing but A. Because this is A, hence we can say this is also A. Now, so this is about the basic concept regarding the diagram. Now, coming to the first theorem. Okay, so what is that? Sin A plus B. Okay, so what is sin A plus B? Now, A plus B means this whole angle. This becomes A plus B. What is sine? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. So for this angle which is opposite, this is opposite. Okay, so MP divided by OP. MP divided by OP, because opposite divided by hypotenuse. Now, what is this MP? See, I can write MP as MR plus RP. Am I right? MP is nothing but MR plus RP. MR plus RP divided by OP. Now, see here, this MR is equivalent to NQ, because both are one and the same, because RQ and MN are parallel lines, hence MR and NQ both are equal. So I can replace MR by NQ. So NQ divided by NQ plus RP divided by OP. Now let me separate this and write it. NQ divided by OP plus RP divided by OP. Now I write this NQ divided by OQ into NQ divided by OP. So I have multiplied and divided this whole equation by OQ because OQ get cancelled, hence it is NQ divided by OP. The original equation remains same. Plus RP divided by QP into QP divided by OP. Same here. I have divided and multiplied it by QP. Now, what is NQ? See here. NQ divided by OQ. Nothing but opposite by hypotenuse of angle A. Therefore, it is which angle? Sine. So, it is sine A. Next, OQ divided by OP is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse of B, means it is cos B, plus RP. See, RP divided by QP is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse of this angle, and this angle is nothing but A, because we have said here OPQ is nothing but A. Therefore, what is this RP by QP? RP divided by QP adjacent by hypotenuse means cos A. Next, QP. So here is QP divided by OP means opposite by hypotenuse of angle B. Therefore, it is sin B. So this is a proof of first theorem. Okay. So what is there in this? First thing is we have to understand how this diagram has occurred. Okay. How the vector is rotating, how it is making angle. Okay. Then vertical lines we have drawn here for our reference, and this is one property we have to keep in mind. Then as usual sin A plus B, and we have to alter this so that we will get this finally. Okay. Now similarly we have to do the second one. What is that? Cos A plus B. Now what is cos A plus B? See, A plus B cos means adjacent divided by hypotenuse, right? So what is adjacent here? OM. Okay. So OM divided by hypotenuse OP. Now, what is this OM? See, OM is nothing but ON minus MN. Right? OM is nothing but ON minus MN. So, ON minus MN divided by OP. Okay. Now, so ON minus OM. Okay. Now I will write like this: ON divided by OP minus MN divided by OP. Okay. Now ON divided by, I will write it as see OQ into OQ divided by OP. Again multiply and divided by OQ minus MN divided by QP into QP divided by OP. So now, what is ON here? See, ON divided by OQ means adjacent divided by hypotenuse, nothing but cos, that is A. So, cos A. Next, OQ. OQ divided by OP is also adjacent by hypotenuse of B, hence it is cos B, minus MN. Okay, so MN is nothing but RQ. Am I right like that? So MN is nothing but RQ divided by QP, QP into QP divided by OP. Now let me write this again. Cos A cos B minus, what is RQ? RQ divided by QP means for this angle it is opposite. Opposite divided by hypotenuse is nothing but sine. Hence it is sin A into QP. See, QP divided by OP is nothing. QP is nothing but opposite of the B and OP hypotenuse. Hence it is sin B. So this is how we derive the second one, that is cos A plus B. Okay. So after this, after knowing sin and cos, it is very easy to derive the third one. Let us do this. So now tan A plus B. What is tan in terms of sin and cos? Sin by cos it is. So let me write it as sin A plus B divided by cos A plus B. Okay. Now what is sin A plus B? Already we have derived. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by, what is cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So it is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now divide the numerator as well as denominator by, divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Then what we are getting here? Now let me write this. Sin A cos B divided by cos A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by cos A cos B whole divided by this one. Cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. Now see here, cos B get cancelled, cos A get cancelled, whole get cancelled, nothing get cancelled. Therefore what is remaining? Sin A divided by cos A plus sin B divided by cos B divided by, here is 1 minus this one as it is, sin A divided by cos A, then sin B divided by cos B. Now what is sin by cos? Tan. Hence it is tan. Next, sin by cos, tan, it is tan B divided by, this one is 1 minus, see, tan A, tan B, 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so this is how, based on this, we can derive 3 theorems here. Okay, so we shall stop here. In the next class, we will derive few more theorems, okay, which are similar to these 3. But the thing is, before going to the next class, you must be able to derive all these 3 theorems. Okay, so try to understand this. Go to the video once, twice, thrice till you understand this, how it is derived. Okay, it is very simple. The thing is, you have to remember the diagram, okay, angles, the ratios between angles, and which are the alternates you have to do while deriving the theorem. Okay, so go through this so that if you are able to understand and prove these theorems, then only you will be able to prove the remaining theorems, okay, which we are going to prove in upcoming class.
take